Ever wonder what it feels like to speak French at different levels? Let's see what a beginner versus an advanced speaker can do.
Bonjour, comment tu t'appelles?
Je m'appelle Anna. Et toi?
Je m'appelle Marc. J'ai récemment lu un livre sur la philosophie existentialiste. Quelle est ta perspective sur le concept de la liberté chez Sartre?
How do you go from basic phrases to fluent, deep conversations? Stick around to discover how your French can level up. Bonjour tout le monde, welcome to Chemin vers Growth. Today we're diving into something that can help you on your language learning journey, the CEFR scale for French. If you've ever wondered what you can really do with your French at different stages of learning, you're in the right place. The CEFR scale is used to measure the proficiency in a language from beginner all the way to master. The levels are split into 6 stages: A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, and C2. At A1, you're just starting your French adventure. You might know some basic phrases and greetings. You can introduce yourself, ask simple questions, and understand very basic instructions. Let's check out a typical A1 level conversation.
Bonjour, comment tu t'appelles?
Je m'appelle Anna. Et toi?
Je m'appelle Marc, comment ça va?
Ça va bien, merci. Et toi?
Ça va!
At A1, you can introduce yourself and ask very basic questions. For example, in this conversation, they're just saying their names and asking each other how they feel. Simple and easy. At A2, you can handle more common situations. You can have simple conversations about your routine, hobbies, and family, and you'll understand basic written texts like menus or signs. You're still far from fluent, but you're beginning to build a level of confidence in basic French. Here's a conversation typical of an A2 level speaker.
Bonjour, vous cherchez quelque chose?
Oui, je cherche des pommes. Combien ça coûte?
C'est 1,50 € le kilo.
Je vais en prendre 2 kilos, s'il vous plaît.
Très bien, voilà.
At A2, you can do basic shopping. Here, the customer is asking for apples and understanding prices. You're able to manage day-to-day tasks like shopping, asking for directions, or ordering food. By the time you hit B1, you're getting much more comfortable. You can handle more situations when traveling in a French-speaking area, and you can talk about past experiences, express opinions, and even discuss some more abstract topics like news, work, or school. Let's take a look at an example of a B1 level conversation.
Salut, comment ça va?
Ça va bien, merci.
J'ai passé un super week-end. Et toi, tu as fait quoi ce week-end?
J'ai visité un musée et j'ai mangé dans un restaurant italien.
Ça sonne bien. Tu me recommandes le musée?
Oui, c'était génial. Il y avait beaucoup d'art moderne.
In this conversation, they're talking about their weekend and giving recommendations. It's still a casual conversation, but it involves more complex ideas and personal experiences. At B2, you're now becoming fluent enough to engage in detailed conversations. You can speak confidently about your opinions, work, studies, or cultural differences. You'll be able to watch French films and TV shows without subtitles and follow most conversations with ease. Here's a conversation that shows what a B2 speaker can do.
Alors, quel est ton avis sur le changement climatique?
C'est un problème urgent. Il faut absolument réduire les émissions de gaz à effet de serre.
Oui, mais beaucoup de pays ne veulent pas prendre des mesures drastiques. Qu'est-ce que tu en penses?
C'est vrai, mais on doit agir maintenant. Si nous attendons trop longtemps, les conséquences seront catastrophiques.
Je suis d'accord. Il faut aussi sensibiliser les gens.
At B2, you're able to discuss important global issues like climate change and express your opinions with a fair amount of detail. You're also more comfortable with more complex vocabulary and ideas. At C1, you're starting to sound like a true French speaker. You can discuss even abstract topics like philosophy, politics, and science with ease. Your grammar is more solid and you understand the subtleties, humor, and cultural references in French. Here's a conversation you might hear at a C1 level.
Je pense que la technologie a un impact profond sur nos relations humaines, mais c'est aussi une opportunité.
Je suis d'accord. D'un côté, elle nous permet de rester connectés, mais de l'autre, elle crée une forme d'isolement.
C'est vrai. En plus, avec l'IA, on voit des changements dans le monde du travail. Quelles sont tes pensées sur l'automatisation?
Je crois que cela va transformer des secteurs entiers, mais cela risque aussi de créer des inégalités. Il est crucial de penser à l'éthique de l'automatisation.
Level. At C1, you're not only comfortable discussing everyday topics, but you can also delve deep into abstract ideas like technology and its social implications. You can handle more sophisticated and nuanced conversations with ease. And finally, C2, this is mastery. At this level, you're practically a native speaker. You can understand everything you hear or read without difficulty. You're comfortable with all sorts of complex and nuanced language, and you can express yourself fluently in almost any context. Here's an example of what C2 C2 level conversation might sound like.
J'ai récemment lu un livre sur la philosophie existentialiste. Quelle est ta perspective sur le concept de la liberté chez Sartre?
C'est fascinant. Sartre considère la liberté comme un fardeau, car elle impose à l'individu une responsabilité totale. Mais cette liberté est aussi ce qui nous définit en tant qu'humains.
Exactement, et c'est ce dilemme qui fait de l'existence une quête permanente. La liberté sans essence, c'est un défi constant.
C'est une réflexion profonde. Et comment interprètes-tu la notion de mauvaise foi chez Sartre?
La mauvaise foi est, selon moi, une forme d'autodélusion. C'est refuser d'accepter la responsabilité de nos choix.
At C2, you're able to engage in highly intellectual discussions with native speakers, analyze complex literature, and express sophisticated thoughts with nuance. Your French is nearly flawless. So, no matter where you're starting, there's always room for growth. The CEFR levels are a great way to track your progress and understand what you can achieve at each level. Whether you're just getting started at A1 or aiming for C2 fluency, each step is an exciting milestone. Are you just starting your French journey, or are you already deep into mastering the language? Let us know your level in the comments below, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more language tips and resources. À bientôt!